Please. Wake up, sis. Please. She's still beating. She's been knocked out for a lot of hours.
I hope she wakes up. Eevee.
This is my fault.
Eevee.
What?
Wait, you could fix this. We need you to go back in the dream. We need you to talk to Leafeon. Our Leafeon.
Are you crazy? That's why she's injured in the first place.
I know Leafeon's gone into the dream. And it hasn't came out yet. But you need to go save her before she starts teaming up with other Leafeon.
She would never team up. But you're right. I'll do it. Wait, Eevee. I'll be fine. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed now.
Okay, get your soul back.
I will. I promise. I'll be back. Hey, guys. Yes? Tell everyone, well, you already told everyone. Just tell them I'm going back in. Okay. Good night.
Night.
I'm still in here. Oh no. Leafeon! Come here! Please, Leafeon!
What?
Yes, I'm back. Where did you put my sister? Where is she?
Oh, stupid, and retarded.
Answer me now.
Do I have to?
Yes.
Well, if you must know, which you're not going to like, I've used my powers to control your sister. And soon enough, she won't even need to be controlled. Because I'm controlling her to do genocide. To take the genocide path so many times.
What? You've been what? You're a monster. Let me see her.
Really? Okay. Leafeon.
Eevee? Oh my gosh. What have you done?
I'm controlling her until she chooses genocide by herself.
How about I show you what your sister has learned so far? What? See, it's a fake monster. Don't worry. Since this is in your mind specifically, it won't really harm. Neither will it talk. I've silenced it. Now then, Leafeon, show your brother what you have learned. What? You little, you're only supposed to laugh. You want me to make those strings tighter?
Die. I enjoy this so much.
You see, Eevee, she enjoys it. You were a great partner. You still will be. But look at your sister. She's a different person now. She's a hero.
My soul of kindness has turned dark. The green soul is now dark green. I have hate. And you know what? I hate you. I can't.
Well, see, I was right.
I can't. I want it. I want to hug you so bad right now. Because you seem like you need one.
Well, I would let you hug her, but that would kind of break the circle of genocide, wouldn't it? Now, keep doing that and you'll be stuck in that little invisible barrier of yours. Now, please, stay there. I'll give you time to talk to her soon. Don't worry.
I want time to talk to her. Give me it now.
Huh. Actually, wait a minute. What happened to your evil side? Want me to do those strings?
I want to talk to her now, or I'll hit you with my knife.
So brave. Fine then, you talk to your brother. Get in there, I'll let you out. Anyways, now that you're back, we can continue our adventure. You two start talking, I'll continue. Goodbye.
Why would you hate me?
I
I
don't.
hate you, kind of. My soul isn't completely covered by hate yet. I still don't want to do genocide, but kind of do. I don't know what I want to feel right now. It's just heartbreaking. I know it is. Hey, I'll let you know something. What? I can't cross her, or else I'm dead. Uh-huh. But I can get the famous scientist to give you an artificial soul. So just maybe, you can come alive. Wait, but if they could use artificial souls to break the barrier, I meant monster soul. What? You'll be counted for as a monster. I'll make sure that you keep away from her, okay? Now, I gotta go before I start trying to hate you again. Okay. Artificial monster soul.
Well, now you get to try out a new weapon. Oh, hey again. Hey, have you seen the frog? You want to help me find him? Great, come along.
I didn't really answer that, but sure, I would love to kill him.
Oh, come on.
Man, it's raining outside.
Well, why didn't you grab one of the umbrellas?
Umbrellas are stupid.
Agreed. Come on.
Stupid umbrellas. Stupid everything. Stupid.
You can barely see the castle from here.
I don't want to see the castle.
Okay, come on.
Stupid kid.
Hey, I think, here, I'll give you a boost up there, and I'll catch you up later. Okay, I'll see you. I'll catch up.
What? Missed. What? Stupid kid doesn't know how to climb.
Oh. Hi. There.
I will destroy you.
Actually, wait a second. I have a better idea. Hey, Leafeon, have a little friend for you to kill. Kill him. Don't want me to hurt you more.
If I must.
You.
Wait, that was a miss. How'd that hurt you?
It was close enough.
Don't block, run! It's not sturdy enough to block. Well,
You better make a straight shot this time. He's stunned. Now get him. Battle over. Level 6. You did very good, Leafeon. But it's not over.
What?
What did I tell you about those what to do with the soul?
I'm sorry, Eevee. I'm sorry that you have to watch.
It's okay, Leafeon. Just do it over.
If you say so, Eevee.
Now, time for you to return back.
No, I want to stay out. You can come out by yourself. Let my body go. Let it be free out of your mind, please.
Of course. I already told you this. I told you and promised you that you would get your chance to be free.
All right. So I could be free as long as I do genocide.
Yes, but not yet. You killed one monster. Once you kill one more, I'll allow it, okay?
All right, let me find one more then.
All right.
All right, I'm going.
Pretty cool, wasn't it, Eevee? She's going to do genocide of her own. It doesn't satisfy me. Why not? You gotta see some amazing blood. Oh, too tired to speak, are we? Well, let me try something with you. Hey, let me go. I think it's your turn to practice some genocide. I already did it to your friend, and she's doing it very well, so I'll let you kill some monsters now. Wait,
Leafeon.
no, please.
Leafeon, stop.
Hmm?
You need to stop. I don't want her in your body, or else she might find something that you don't want to find. Remember?
Oh.
Let's wait until we get her artificial soul.
Hmm.
Or I meant him. Sorry. We had it. I can't tell you the truth, Eevee. I'm sorry.
Huh? Oh, ignore her. Anyway, you give your point. It's not safe to leave him out of his cell. I guess I'll have him practice in his cell. Wait.
I'll leave the knife then.
Good. Now then. Alright, give you the rundown. You kind of know the drill. But in case you refuse, see those puppet strings on you?
Yes.
Either they will get tighter and possibly cut out your blood circuits if you refuse.
So I might die?
No, I won't make sure you won't die, of course. But it'll be really painful. So, better get started.
Please don't hurt me. I'm a little monster. I thought you said it doesn't talk.
Oh, that was just a little trick. I'll mute it. Shh. There we go.
I'm sorry.
Hang on. You don't want to hesitate. Don't cry. Do it without hesitation.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Good. Now let's get another one.
Oh.
Here you go. Try this one.
Please don't hurt me. I'm a little monster. I guess I gotta face the fact that I might kill monsters that talk. I'm a baby monster. You hurt me.
Stop.
Shut up!
Good one, Eevee. Now then, you keep at it. I better check how your sister's doing. So while you're at it, sing for me.
Double Leafeon. Oh no. Double Leafeon. Oh no. Double the knives, double the pain, double the genocide in my veins. I cannot lie. Genocide hurts me inside. I cannot lie. Genocide really hurts me inside. Don't make me do this anymore. I'm a puppet with strings.
Actually, that was actually really good. You can continue killing.
Double Leafeon. Oh no. Genocide, genocide, right in my veins. I cannot stop killing. It's not even pain. It's as I go, that I think of it.
Hey, it's me. I'm back. I'm sorry. It took me a while to find you. What's that you have there? Yes, you're doing good. Keep it up. Make sure he's suffering. Please, I said keep killing. Please, don't kill me.
Sorry. Not sorry.
Wait a minute. Greninja, you saved?
Yeah. No problem. All right.
It's nothing. Just with one hit, you nearly killed me.
But I believe in myself. I have determination!
Leafeon, please don't kill him. Take a break and watch this. Yeah, you better watch.
I'm sorry, Eevee. But also not sorry. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm a bit sorry about this. No, whatever. It's fighting time. Here I go!
Not strong, I see.
I'll just use my sword to block your spears.
Well, of course you would. You have a green soul after all. Of course you would block them.
Wait, if I have a green soul, and I can't escape. Oh, that's permanent. I permanently can't escape.
Yes. Now then, bring your next move. How about now? Nice one.
This is so making me tired. Whatever.
You're tough. I must admit.
Imagine this, but a middle finger. Huh? I'm sorry.
I can't. Yes, you're doing it. Just kill him, and you'll be free, and you can move your body as much as you want. Leafeon, don't do it. Come on, Leafeon, you know you want to. Don't do it.
If I will, I must.
Wait, Leafeon.
But kindness is resisting. You have too much kindness in your heart to kill a monster, especially a really cool monster. No! I don't have kindness. I have hatred!
If you did, you wouldn't have been able to. You would have been able to hit me by now and finish me off.
I can't do it.
I spare. Battle finished. No. Leafeon, good job. You're strong. You do know there's a friend of mine that lives up ahead in the Hotlands.
Mm-hmm.
I expect for you to go meet her. I'll see you.
I know. Leafeon, you've told me. The famous female scientist, Jiltia.
Sure. You said you wanted your body back, but you refused.
I'm sorry, the kindness in my heart wouldn't let me.
Kindness. Oh, I remember that well. I remember kindness a long time ago. The kindness is powerful. That kid, Cody was his name. His frying pan and his stained apron was something that could not be matched, indeed. What are you talking about? Nothing of your business. Now, I think you've been here long enough, Leafeon. You can go. Shh. You, on the other hand, I'm gonna have to put you to sleep more often. Make sure you're more tired. I'll see you soon. Shh. Eevee, you did it. What? You brought me back. I love you. Well, Glaceon, quick, come.
Huh?
Eevee got him up.
Whoop-de-doo.
I think they need a minute of alone time. No, we're good. Yeah. So, what happened in there? You haven't told us anything, Eevee. Here, just, Eevee, let me talk.
Wait, before you talk, I have one question.
What?
What did you mean by the big secret that I shouldn't know?
Huh?
That you kept calling me she. I'm a he. And you said there was more than, there was a different.
Here, I'll explain next time we have to go in there. But for now, I'll have to talk to your sisters.
Hold on.
I
hate these
will
ropes.
be back. Come on, guys. I'm waiting, Eevee. You need to learn. You need to learn. Hello, everybody. Thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And special thanks for Xander for helping me out in my video, and lots of others. And subscribe to Z-Boy Music so you can listen to his awesome soundtracks. Well, I'll see you guys soon. Bye now.